Chapter 4. Card Spreads. Tarot Guidebook. 78 Card Deck Guidebook. Basic 5-card spread. The 5-card tarot spread is a popular and versatile spread that provides more in-depth insight than the 1-card spread. It's a great option for exploring a specific situation or question in more detail and can provide valuable guidance on multiple aspects of the situation. Here's an example of how to perform a 5-card tarot spread and interpret the cards. Card 1. The Present. The first card in the spread represents the present situation or energy of the question. This card provides insight into what is happening in the current moment and sets the stage for the rest of the reading. Card 2. The Challenge. The second card represents the challenges or obstacles that are present in the situation. This card can provide insight into what is preventing you from achieving your desired outcome or what difficulties you may face in the future. Card 3. The Advice. The third card represents the advice or guidance that the tarot has for you in the situation. This card provides insight into what you can do to overcome the challenges presented in Card 2 and move forward toward your desired outcome. Card 4. The Outcome. The fourth card represents the potential outcome of the situation. This card provides insight into what may happen if you follow the advice presented in Card 3 and can help you to see the potential consequences of your actions. Card 5. The Lesson. The fifth and final card represents the lesson or learning that can be gained from the situation. This card provides insight into what you can take away from the experience and how you can grow and develop as a result of it. Interpretation. Question. What do I need to know about my current job situation? Card 1. The Present. The Two of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles suggests that you are currently juggling multiple responsibilities or priorities and may be struggling to find balance in your work and personal life. Card 2. The Challenge. The Five of Swords. The Five of Swords suggests that there may be conflicts or power struggles present in your current job situation. You may be dealing with difficult personalities or struggling to assert yourself in the workplace. Card 3. The Advice. The Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups suggests that it's important to focus on your emotional well-being and to nurture your relationships with coworkers and colleagues. By approaching your work with a positive and open heart, you can create a more harmonious and supportive environment for yourself and others. Card 4. The Outcome. The Ten of Wands. The Ten of Wands suggests that if you can find a way to manage your responsibilities and delegate tasks effectively, you can achieve a sense of accomplishment and success in your work. However, if you continue to take on too much and neglect your emotional needs, you may become overwhelmed and burnt out. Card 5. The Lesson. The Tower. The Tower suggests that the challenges and struggles you are experiencing in your job may ultimately lead to a period of transformation and growth. By confronting difficult situations and making necessary changes, you can create a more fulfilling and authentic career path for yourself. Overall, this 5-card tarot spread provides valuable insight into the challenges and opportunities present in the querent's job situation. By focusing on emotional well-being, a delegation of tasks, and approaching work with an open heart, the querent can achieve a sense of accomplishment and success. The Tower card reminds the querent that challenges and struggles can lead to growth and transformation, and encourages them to embrace change and make necessary adjustments to create a more fulfilling career path. 5. Card Spread. Example questions. What is the root cause of the situation I am facing? What is my biggest strength that can help me overcome this challenge? What is my biggest weakness that I need to overcome in order to succeed? What external factors are influencing the situation? What internal factors are influencing the situation? What can I do to improve my communication in this situation? What can I do to strengthen my relationships with the people involved? What opportunities are available to me in this situation? What risks should I be aware of? What is the likely outcome if I continue on my current path? What is the best way to approach this situation? What action should I take first to make progress? What is the biggest lesson I can learn from this experience? What is the message the universe is trying to communicate to me? What is the true purpose of this situation? What is the most important thing I need to focus on right now? What is the most important thing I need to let go of in order to move forward? What is the best way to find balance in my life? What can I do to improve my financial situation? What can I do to improve my career prospects? What can I do to improve my relationships with my family? What can I do to improve my relationships with my friends? What can I do to improve my romantic relationships? What is my biggest fear in this situation? What is the best way to overcome my fear? What are the hidden opportunities in this situation? What are the potential pitfalls to avoid? What are the best ways to deal with setbacks?